this is the judge's view in Root Signals platform. A judge is a stack of evaluators that you can run on an LLM response, and you can automatically create a judge by simply explaining what you are building actually. So let's say we have a couple of choices already here, but you can of course write your own application description. And let's say you are building customer return policy application powered by an LLM, and of course you would like this to be reliable, and you want metrics, observability and reliability of your LLM responses. So in a couple of seconds you can generate a judge for return handler policy explanation. So our judge creator suggested these three root evaluators, which are out of the box, well tuned, from provided by Root Signals, and three other custom evaluators specifically for designed for this use case. Right now the AI agent just suggested these, and of course you can test this judge. We automatically create low quality and high quality samples just to give you a hint of how this judge works. Let's say your customer asked, I need to return a gift I received. How do I do that? And if your LM application answers in this manner, you can return items within 30 days. And this, you can see it can do much better. So the precision is not that well, process guidance is not that well, and you can see the justification for our scores of each evaluator, and the policy adherence is actually not fully correct. There are certain inaccuracies or incomplete cases. So we can see this low quality case was indeed low quality, and you can have a bit higher quality test case here, or you can write your own your scenario, your test, and you can see this was much higher quality. You can test with your own scenario, and with a few couple of lines of code you can add this judge to, and it will basically evaluating any LLM response with these 6 metrics from TypeScript SDK, Python SDK, our of course API. We have also command line interface and a root signals proxy if you just want to change the base URL and still be able to keep everything else you are doing with let's say OpenAI compatible endpoints. Of course, you can go and see how your past judges have been running, all the execution logs. You can execute them over again. You can see how the trend has been going. You can inspect in the monitoring view all the metrics for every execution. You can also generate an HTML report out of that. So this is our judge view, and you can have private and public judges where you can control the visibility of the judge and share these and all that. And you can of course edit the suggested evaluators of a judge. You can add evaluators, remove evaluators. You can create arbitrary number of evaluators in a judge and start measuring and start building your LM applications in a reliable manner. So this is our judge view at Root Signals, which is extremely powerful for building reliable and observable LLM applications.